Don't upset him while he's on me, man.
You can say ljubim on Serbian. It's kiss.
How you say?
Ljubim.
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 Ljubim. Listen, you don't have to play hard to get it.
Ljubim.
I have to work tomorrow. If you give me stitches, though, I'll give you $100.
Be careful.
Ljubim. Jebiga.
You know, yeah. Sometimes it's, the birds in the night is not so active. That is.
Johnny, act as is Jack Sparrow. Maybe he's gonna.
Yeah.
He might recognize that.
Yeah.
How do you say it again?
Ljubim.
What he said. That didn't work.
She fun. When you laugh, she laughs too.
You thought that was funny, did you?
Did you?
Oi, Ljubim. Fuck off. You're awfully sweet. What's your name? There's no reason to be cold.
Okay, let's
She's
get-
shy.